Okay, if it's I would just say 15 minutes time frame, choppy market, still making money. 145 pips means if I think the time is actually 13 hours. I don't know, like even though it's a 15-minute time frame, 13 hours means probably market didn't move at all. That's why it's very choppy. That's why it's choppy. Yeah. But you can really make money if you know where are these points, what they are doing right now, what exactly they are doing right now. So this was the example of the choppy market. Like you do not want to take, say, if market is not right here, you do not want to sell because market may go up again. Like say market is uptrend for here, and remember that this currency pair is really really highly uptrending right now.
Mm.
So it may buy, I would say, the next move from here, from today. Oh yeah, please go
Yeah,
ahead.
so on the choppy market, like where you were before,
Yeah,
like there, you'd really want to trade from between the top of resistance and from between resistance and support. Really look for the right entry point there. You don't want to see
that's
what I keep doing is coming in at the middle. You
oh,
know, when I've got one.
mm,
If I want to do selling, if I want to sell, I've got one lower high. Oh, there's another lower high.
mm.
Now I'll come in, and everything looks like all right. I should have come in at the first lower high. So there's a bit of a lack of confidence yet, of being sure, um, knowing that you can't be sure, I suppose, is part of it. But yeah,
Yeah, no, I mean I totally agree with you, but the question is, like, if you have that mindset, like I think you said, the lack of confidence. I think when you are not confident that what market will do, you will be really all over the place. You will just, okay, when you see the one red candle, you want to just sell. One green candle, probably you want to buy. So that's why you have to have a system. The system is, I have probably given a couple of templates, but in that's actually in a trading plan. But for me, that I will give you the $1 million strategy, which is coming soon. I have already preserved that, probably at the end of the session. Otherwise, if I give everything at the beginning, you will not be able to implement that. That's why I'm teaching from the like brick and stone, like one layer at a time, one layer at a time. So
understand.
yeah, so one layer at a time. So um, as you said, that you will jump into, I mean, this is the problem of 95% as a trader. Believe me, Dan, that's, you're not the only one. Even the people who are really, really experienced, they know exactly where market is going. And because of the kind of FOMO, which is, okay, I will miss out this trade, I should get in right now. That will, what will happen is that will kick them out of the market because of the wrong entry, and all the time they will hit that stop loss.
Mm.
That's why I want you to, for today's session, let's focus on the market structure, because that might help you in this, because you sold it. I don't know where did you sell, but market did sell. Today is no third. This was on 3rd of May. This was 4th of May, and then this was nothing happened on 4th of May. Really, really, I would say the consolidation happening here. Market made okay. This structure, you know that this structure is highly traded structure by myself, which is head and shoulder. Can you see? Um, like it made a kind of, one is a left hand soldier, this is a head, and this is a right hand soldier. Now market has to buy. There is no doubt about it, it will not buy. So here I will move this one away. So that's why, look, I have given you a couple of strategy, which is, look, you need to see some patterns in the market every now and then. It will come every now and then. Even in a 1 hour chart, it will come. Even in a 4 hour chart, it will come. And you will see, after this, probably you are still thinking it will sell after this engulf candle. This is definitely an engulf candle, but it has made kind of, this is something you can see. This is kind of demand zone it has created. So there is an order flow, which is, for me, is this is order. There are a couple of order flows that, um, if people were buying from somewhere, say they buy, no, they were selling, says they were selling, it's sold off from here, it's sold off even from here. Oh my God, like, this big wick candle was the significant indication that market tried to push off 160, but it immediately came down and tried to push again higher. And there is a morning, say you can say even this is kind of evening star. If you know about it, it's evening star. It's evening star. So it's created a pattern to sell off. And that not only was it was not only during the news, it also because every time market will do something, it will tell you what it's about to do as well. That's why I wanted to have a look beforehand, like, okay, what it might do in the future, right? So for now, it's hard to understand than done. Seriously, it's difficult. It's really difficult. That's why most of the people who are in the market, they lose money. Who are making money? The big people are making money. For now, even from here, like you can say, why market has to just come. That's why I want you to identify these zones very closely in the market. Like, suppose there was a small resistance created by this market in 1 hour chart, and why market has to come down in the same area of interest. That's the area of confluence, or whatever you say. Okay. And now market did a correction, and it went up. It's going up. We don't know whether market will come down again or it will break through. That's why I as a trader, like as a whatever you say, I want you to please focus on this line. Okay, if you had to buy, you could buy from here because market sold off, and there was a couple of follow through candle, which is 1 and 2. And this one is a correction for the same market structure. And now market trying to buy, we have no idea whether the market will break through. So that's why you will go to the lower time frame. If there is a lot of kind of rejection like this, market has to sell off from here again. See, that's like you already have that. If it breaks through, it will buy, of course, probably. It will not definitely buy so easily. But if it did not break through this line, it has to come back again. Come back, we don't know how. Because the current market structure looks, of course, it's a downtrend for now. Why? Because it was buying for so long. So it did a correction. It did a correction because when market will buy for so long, it has to come down. Remember that when market will buy for so long, it has to come down. So same thing. Number one reason why most of the traders, I would say the retail trader like us, because we have a very small capital in the market. That's why we lose a lot of money. We have no idea what market will do, and we take decision based on our emotions. Okay. So in previous session, I think we have taught about the structure in this candle. Like according to this pattern, what do you see? I think you can see this one easily and precisely. So then from here, you should be able to buy very easily. So I don't know why did you sell it, So that's why like you should be able to buy from here very, very precisely. I would not say that you should be targeting more than this area, because even if you did it, look, it came to correction.
Where your cursor is now, just where I bought from,
Okay.
sold from, was just near where the cursor is. So it was only about 11 o'clock, right? So I picked it up on a downtrend. And as the downtrend accelerated, I went, okay, I'll take another sell. But then it stopped going down because when you look below there, there's nothing, there's no support. There is no support holding it up. And that's what I was looking at was, hello, there's no support there. So, all right, it's going to drop. But it didn't. It went choppy. So, I gambled and got it wrong.
Yeah, that's the part of the process. You're learning because I think always as a trader, I would say if you need to probably if you have to put an alert, you think that 152.300 will be the next zone to buy. Come on, like you have a alert here. Okay, I would like to see what market will do right here. You will watch the market to do some kind of reaction at that point. But if market came down, make a support, again went up, try to come down again, couldn't break through this zone. Okay, I
Yeah.
think that this time market is going to buy. Then just take a
Mm.
small loss. If it's in opposite direction, of course, take a small loss and get out of the market. Say thank you so much for the lesson, but never be attached with the money, or never be attached with what you did right now. Because when you are attached with things that you have done, so for now, look, I would say even in 15 minutes time frame, market did buy. You should be able to. I mean, you sold it. I think you were correct. I'm confused. Where was your stop loss? If you're sold off, you
Stop
should.
loss. Hang on, I'll tell you. I sold at 153.418. I put my stop loss at 153.518. And I closed at 153.490. It just kept on going away from it. And it hasn't really, that's the end. It hasn't really got back down there again. So it was just a choppy market. I put the second sell in at 153.458. Sorry, at 153.358. And again, I put the stop loss at 458. So I sort of start my stop loss just 100 points from the buy. And if it looks like I can, I'll then close the stop loss and close the stop loss, and if possible, until it's in profit. But yeah, as I say, the reason I bought was because there was no resistance underneath. There was a big buy, quite a big buy, and there was no resistance underneath it, and it was starting to move down. Had 2, 3, 5-minute bullish, bearish candles in a row, and I bought, I think, on the third one, and it went down nicely.
It's
And then
supposed to
it
go
just started
down.
to turn the other way, and I
Yeah.
should
Yeah.
have got it,
I think, look, if you had to sell this market, I would say you should have sold off like from here, because this is the resistance you can see from here. Market will come down from here. Market will reach this area, because remember
Yes.
that
That's
market
what I
will.
looked at. It was hitting that resistance again. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what happens here. If you can see this, this was if you can draw this, the other areas of, like, probably if you go the left side, there are somewhere this kind of structure are formed many times. So
And where you put the support there, you can see that that support line you've got there. That's what I saw. There was nothing underneath it. There was no support under that. So I went, right, and I thought, right, it's going to drop. But I think, yeah, it just, as you can see, it's gone choppy. Now you could sit and wait.
It's choppy. Yeah, definitely. It's definitely choppy. Like when market moves, like couple, like say 1, 2, 3. Look, even in a 1-hour chart, I think it moved. It not too bad. It made a kind of move 40 pips immediately. That was in a 45 minutes, 40 pips immediately. That's the time you want to get into. That's why you need a kind of action in the market. Like, kind of, when there is a volume, I would say, I know, like, volume means kind of more participant in the buyer side or seller side, then the market will make kind of momentum. Otherwise, now there is a kind of no one is
The
taking any
volume was moderate. It wasn't that really low volume.
yeah.
It was sort of moderate, and I thought,
Now, like, nothing is happening. You can see nothing is happening. Like, market is so
yeah.
like
But I think what I've discovered about myself is
yeah.
that I tend to be contrary, and that's a fault.
Oh,
I should pay more attention to the trend and just wait for
yes,
my
yes.
time to
Wait.
get in.
That's only patience. Next week, I mean, probably this week, homework is for you to no trade at all. All you have to do is probably go to the 30-minute time frame, and all you do is watch market. You have to mark, of course, market. Okay, this is the zone. I know this may be the another resistance, and then look, mark, if this market doesn't break through this zone. If it broke through, there will be the target. Remember that. If it broke through, there will be the target. If it doesn't break through from here, another zone will be probably, now we'll sell off until here. So that's how, like, you will be watching the market without trading. This is like, if I sell this market, probably I'll sell up to, that's why I put it here. Probably it will come up. If it doesn't come, which is totally fine. It may not come all the time. It will, market doesn't make exact the picture perfect, the algorithm or the geometry. It will be some kind of slanting. Yes, Dan.
Yeah, so what I really should do is wait until I see the range, because at the moment I'm jumping in the middle of the range. Well, today it was choppy, but I'm jumping in the middle of the range instead of waiting for it to hit bottom or hit top. So I go, okay, there's the range. Now I come in here and sell, and I come in here and buy and so forth. But I've got to
Do you
identify
do you
range.
do you even see look, according to the EMA, market's supposed to go downwards, so like that could be the resistance to sell again. So I
Is that you
believe,
put that there?
yeah, so market overall, look and see, this is a 200 EMA, so means that if market is if 200 EMA is up and then our market is down, this is still downtrend market. That's what it is. I'm repeating this again to you, that if market is downtrend, if it's going upward, means just to make a correction. Like correction means probably it will have to go, if you know the Fibonacci retracement. If I go and right now, if I will, hang on, I'll just delete everything. If you know that, okay, suppose you are still expecting, okay, no, not upward, sorry. If we are expecting market to go downwards, I will just, what I'll do is, if you are expecting, right, because you sold off, which is, I wouldn't say, because market is downtrend right now. Currently, the recent market structure is downtrend. That's for sure. This could be just a retracement, this retracement. So here, you could see market has come around this 38 zone and made a kind of correction. Otherwise, market came here, went try to go up, but this is the zone. So this is the area, the highly respected. You already know, I think I have already taught you that 50 area is highly respected. Like market may come to do the correction right here, and it didn't quite come in the same area, but around that area. Can you see that? Around that area. It came up, came down again, came down, and it trying to retrace the same thing. It's kind of retrace, I would say. But as you see, look, you have to check or think that what market would do. Market is highly uptrending. It dropped down from 160 to 153. Means, do you still think the market will go even further downwards? It's like you can anticipate what market could do based on the currency structure level. Like that's what I will teach you, like in the next session, which is I will have to show the new slide for you.
Well,
yeah.
the fundamentals are telling us that the US Japan should be going up. Which is a bit weird because the US didn't get good job figures. But
Yes.
it should be going up for some reason. And that was like 17, well, now probably 18 hours ago. And it hasn't been doing that. So it's kind of weird.
Absolutely. Okay, so I will go to this. I don't know if it will help you. I don't believe it will help you, because let's go. Market structure. What is this market structure means? I think I made a couple of videos about this, but here is like simple example I would like to give you in the, the line chart example, if you can see my screen then.
Yes.
So simple example is something like this. So this is something I would like to, like simple example, market, this is from low to high, high to high, low. And when it broke, this is broken. Means that when market is uptrend, it will, even you can use the trend line, it will do something like this. Like this is the example of a higher high and higher low. Structure means, do you think the market is going uptrend or downtrend? The number one job as a trader to identify is where the market is, coming from and going through. Like it's coming from upward, going through downward, or going from coming from downward to going through upward, something like this, right? So from here to upward, and this is another higher high, break of structure. This is a BOS, means break of structure, very, very highly used terms in trading industry, which is break of structure. So once the structure is broken, means you still anticipate the market will go up, but after it come down. So remember that market will not go straight up from here. That's why and most of the I would say our retail traders, which is like us. We are a retail trader. Then we don't have $1 million lot size. We only have probably a 1 or 2 maximum. Some people who has a $5 million of worth of account, they will have $100 lot size, like 100 lot size, which is fine. It's still called as a retail trader. So we as a retail trader, what we do is if market is going upward, we'll try to buy from here. Still we'll buy from here or even buy from here. So remember, when we buy from here, what will happen? Market has to do some correction. So why not to wait the market to come down and buy from here? That's my question. Same thing, like if market is an uptrend, let the market to come down and then buy from here. So market will always do this. Remember that if it's uptrend, it will do this. But you should not buy from here. You should not buy from here because this time maybe you'll be in a huge loss because you are too high. Market will not buy for a little while. It's a time to come down, do some correction, or maybe a huge correction, maybe the trend change of structure, change of say change of character, which is market will not again go up. It has to come probably to do a huge correction. Then people who are buy from here, they are in huge loss. So understand this, looking at the market structure, which is, look, this is literally the line chart that I drew from to show you the example that if market is uptrend, it should do like this. If market is downtrend, market will always come from high to low. And then this is a lower high. And this is a break of structure. So if you are selling from here, remember that if you are selling from here, what will happen is, suppose you know the market is downtrend. I would really be honest because I did that mistake many, many times in the past. So if market is already downtrend 1, 2, 3 move, why do you have to sell from here? Let the market to come up and then sell from here. So the mistake we do is we sell from here. Of course, market is downtrend. Let's sell it. But market will go up again to make that correction, which is a kind of retracement. You know that. Then we are in loss. We'll probably put the stop loss right here and we'll take profit is here, but we sold off from here. But we should be selling off from here. Same thing, example or other, because yes, please, Dan.
Because when you do that, if it goes wrong, you can see it very quickly and you can get out.
Yes.
So, and if it goes right, instead of buying from the middle of the downtrend there, you're buying at the top of the downtrend. You're selling there at the top of the downtrend and heading down. But yeah, if you work from the extremes of the range, if it goes the wrong way, you know very quickly. And that's what I'm not doing. I'm starting my trade closer to the middle of the range. And when it goes the wrong way, I'm waiting for it to see how far it'll go. And of course, by that time, I'm already in a loss.
Already, yeah.
So I can see what you're saying just makes complete sense. And I get it. I understand. But then, somewhere between here and there, ooh. Now one more thing, the damn thing froze on me again. When I'm going to
it's probably internet. Check with the internet provider. I don't know, because it doesn't freeze in our MT4 because
right. I'm wondering if that's because you've got money in there. I'm wondering if the demo account.
No. It should not happen. Yeah, even I literally then I still use my demo account in a different provider to test my strategy. If I'm right, if I'm wrong, if I'm like doing right thing, because I do not want to risk too much money in my real money. So if I'm trying some new strategy, so I would not a new strategy, but still something tweaking, making some change, because I can teach my student if it works, if there is a more wins using this strategy and how they should execute the market. Yeah. So sometime look, there'll be huge loss. This is a demo account. I lost like this morning, I think $6,160, which is a huge loss. Was I tried it, the new techniques. Oh, it didn't work. It doesn't work. So I think what works is what I'm good at it. I should focus on that, See, I should not try something new. That's what I'm experimenting myself. Then what will work the best is what I'm already good at. I can excel that the better way because it's already making money for me. Then why should I change that? So that's why I decided to teach my student not 100 things at a time. I think I will focus on one thing, then I will make you and everyone profitable using only one strategy or two, or maybe you can combine a couple of in between. If I teach many things, like if you go this way or that way, no, too much in a plate. So I have taught you so many information that if you only master one thing, you can be profitable. Seriously, only you can trade the support and resistance. That's it, is still the profitable trader. If you only trade, say, double bottom or double top strategy, which is you will see some kind of significant momentum in the market where there is a resistance zone, there is a double top, market will sell off for a little while, at least not for long. Probably if it's a hugely highly market is uptrending. Yeah, so that's why you're frozen. Probably the MT4 is frozen. Number one probably could be the reason of I believe the internet, or yeah, it should not happen like that. Yeah, I'm still having yeah, I have this yeah. Anyways, yeah, so this
Can
is
I
the
can I get you, before we go any further, can I get you to tell me about Fibonacci, the Fibonacci, what's it
yes,
called?
Fibonacci
You
retracement.
go through
Yes,
that again.
yes.
I've haven't even really started to read the second book about Fibonacci trading.
Okay. Yeah. That's totally fine. Okay, I'm in a 30-minute chart. Okay. What this Fibonacci retracement will do is, because if I don't use any of these indicators, I think that should not use it for now. Suppose you think market is going downward right now, right? Market is really downward. I'll quickly move this one to show you even better. Can you see the chart nice and clear, or I'm in a
Yes.
very small, okay. If you expect market to go downward, then you can either pick this top, because if you believe, that's why the main key important information that you'll carry on, or keep in your mind, is where the market is heading. Okay, if you think or believe, okay, I'll go in a higher time frame. To understand that, you have to check the higher time frame. Higher time frame, yes, it is uptrend market. We broke through this resistance. You can see 152 was the highest, hugely respected resistance. You can see this one. That's why I have my alarm set up here, like a USJPY crossing 153. So ding, if it crossed over, yeah, so crossed over, went all the way to 160. If this in daily candle. That's why Fibonacci retracement works the best. Okay, 900, almost 900 pips. My God, it was not in one day. Of course, whole in 2 weeks time, I believe. But that's a huge amount of money in a currency pair. If you have a good lot size, you made, like, say, $10,000, $20,000 in this one. Even in a demo account. I mean, start to make some profit in a demo account. Then only you will start in real. I think there are a couple of students, they want to start real. I said, hey, if you are profitable in demo, then only start in real account. If you are not profitable in real account, do not, I'm sorry, in demo, do not waste your money, because you will probably lose your money in the market, which is in real market, right? In real money, real market. So Fibonacci retracement works the best if you know where is the market going. I will quickly show you. Suppose market is uptrend from here. Please have a very close look from here. You can see if I draw this one, so it's supposed to come right here to touch to buy it. It is like, the market is uptrend, right? Hugely uptrend. Market did a very good correction, exactly came to the same resistance, and it's a resistance and it made a support. See, the crazy part is, even in a daily candle, this was a very good resistance level. Even you can see resistance. This was a resistance. Now it made a new support. What do you expect market to do? 100% it went all the way through, and it created whenever you see this big weak candle, because I'm teaching you not only Fibonacci, I want to show you that where do you expect market to go next. So then you'll use a Fibonacci. Okay, I'm quickly using this, suppose from this low to high. Okay, okay, I'll delete this. I'll do start again. Okay, from this to this, because you believe if market is going upward, where should market come? So this is really highly uptrend market. Can you see it came to touch our 61 zone? 61 zone, literally around the 61 zone, means that's the golden zone according to our Fibonacci retracement rule, and then the theory, whatever you say, principle.
Okay. It's really hard to read the numbers, so I'll just have to.
Here, this one is like,
Yeah.
yeah. So this was like 61. I know I will probably do a little bit. Yes, exactly 61. Can you see this
Oh, you're
line?
talking about the 61.8
Yeah,
Fibonacci?
that's,
Right.
yeah.
What
That's
does that mean?
that's the
What does that
golden zone. Yeah, this is the location that market will come to retrace. Remember that. This is the location that if it's uptrend, market will come down to retrace this, and then market will head up again. So the
So
potentially
that
market
50 to 61.8, that is the area, that is the zone in which it will originate and then come down to.
no, not come down to. It will continue from there. That's the retracement. Okay, I'll repeat that again. Suppose we are uptrend right now, right?
Yeah.
It's in a very big time frame. Then it's a very big time frame. But if you are a scalper, this is for the actually for the swing trader strategy. But still, you can use in a smaller time frame to scalp as well or intraday as well, right? So suppose market, you can see market is highly uptrend. Okay, so I'm looking to buy another zone. Where should I buy? Where should I buy from? Okay, what I'm doing is, number one, I'm using my Fibonacci. Probably you can take this zone, this zone, but I will probably take not this one, but I will want to take this one. Even you take this one, that's totally fine. I have no problem. Even you can take this one. But when you take this one, what happens is probably market has already come downward, 90% of, then this case you will not be right.
61, yes.
Yeah, so it's like it's crossed 61 zone, because if when market did make a move below the 61 to 60, I mean also say 75% below of this whole range, then market is downtrend. Market will not go upward. But my case, market is still going upward. So that's, I'll take from this zone to this one. So see that exactly 61 area, market did a retracement and market is heading now in, if you go back to the 4-hour chart, market has started to make a move from here already. 61 zone, this is a 61 zone. See, this is a 61 zone. Why we use this one? See, can I tell you a magic something? Why market has to do something exactly in a 61 zone? It has made quite a good resistance. So the power of using this Fibonacci tool is to identify where are these internal resistance, even in a uptrend market or even in a downtrend market. Is that make sense?
Yep.
Yes. Yeah. Lovely. So look, but for now, I will delete this all and I will go to the smaller time frame. I'll show you like what I mean exactly, what I mean. So there are a couple of things that when you use Fibonacci, look, when you use in a smaller time frame, look, this is completely a downtrend. When you use the Fibonacci tool from 116, so this is a downtrend momentum. But if you think or if you believe the market will again go downward from somewhere, you still can look. Fibonacci can work in either way. It can work in either way. If you use in a high time frame, you have to look at the overall trend. But if you use in a smaller time frame, still you want to follow the trend. You want to follow the trend. So for if I'm in a 5-minute chart, okay, let's see. I think market will go higher again. If I think, okay, but this is just an example. So what I'll do is I'll put here to here. Okay, market should come. See the 50 zone. It made a kind of resistance in 38 zone and support in at 50% zone. And then after that, market has started to buy. So for now, we don't want to take any action because market has already gone that high. If you want the market to buy from, somehow market has to come in this area. That's what I want you to use. Probably market has to come in around this area. Look, it could be a little bit higher, a little bit lower, but not always. It will not be always pitch up of it, right? But it has to come around this area.
50 is where it will come back down to there and then move from there again.
Yeah, move from there. If it's uptrend, right? If he wants to buy continuously, it will do that. But if it doesn't, like probably if it's no, I would say so. And this area is highly respected. Even in a 5-minute chart, you can see like it came, went up,
Yes.
it came, went up. So market will come probably if it comes. That's why I want you to have a look or keep in mind that if you would like to buy something in the future, wait and just, wait, let the market come here. And sometime you will miss this chance because market will not come here. Market probably buy from here. Market will come down here and buy from here. It did actually same. You can see it's came down all the way down, a little bit, not too much, but kind of little bit pips, not too, like, let's say, oh, is this, wow, it came to 42 pips and now it's going back to the same zone. But now it has created another resistance, kind of resistance here. It has to break through to continue to buy, So that's why the use of Fibonacci tool is to identify internal support and resistance zone, where you can take next move towards up or towards down. Yes, Dan.
So what we might look for from there, if we see, so we've got one bottom there.
Yeah.
Sorry, you can see my cursor. And then if it rejects at that resistance and goes down to a double bottom and then starts climbing again, then we're looking at one of two things. Either we've got a range to work in, or with a double bottom, it should start to buy again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. That's what it is. Yes, absolutely. Okay, so looking at this structure, I strongly believe, I think it should if it breaks this line, it should buy, because it has made kind of, even in a 5-minute chart, even in a 13-minute chart, you can see it's kind of, it made a head and shoulder pattern for me. That's what I trade a lot of, that's the pattern I use. I trade a lot, which is, I think it's inverse head and shoulder pattern. So it will take some time then to understand what I mean.
Oh, so the inverse head and shoulder is going to buy.
Yeah, so inverse head and shoulder will always buy. And then if you see here, so this is definitely another very strong resistance that couldn't pass through, it melted down. And we have no idea what market will do next, but at least it will buy for it. Actually bought a little while, it definitely bought. Today is 6th of May already. So you already bought 80. I think since we started to move the market Monday today, 84 pips already done. Market is making a good move today. I would say, yes, it's not too bad. Otherwise, market doesn't make any move. Like it will do like something like this. See something like this. It will is supposed to make something like, but it is doing good. There's no momentum at all. There's no momentum at all. And even I would say this is the crazy, there is nothing happening here. We do not want to take action at that time. What we want to do is we rather wait the market to make some kind of this kind of candlestick. Wow, this is very good example that follow through candle is. You can see which candlestick do you think is pushing through, where buyers are here. You can see clearly that there is buyers already, even though there was a huge downtrend, which is it's a big candlestick, even in 30 minutes. Immediately there's a follow through.
See that the buyers have pushed it back up from that low, that long bull candle, right?
Yeah.
You can see how far the buyers have actually pushed it up from that low, so they're still there.
Yeah, so now buyers, like even though it happens, look, probably now all we are waiting is to cross this resistance line, and then boom, and it probably will go up, because I still believe the market will go up. While we are talking right here, I think it's more than 45 minutes now. Yeah, more than 45. Yeah, I think believe more than that. So here we can see that market came down.
Yeah.
And market went up again another candle here, which is half an hour candle. And then market is pushing upward. It's like kind of the bulls are controlling the market right now. Yeah, so bulls are. But if you want to buy this market, I always recommend like wait for the retracement. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles means that it's supposed to sell. But if you're selling from here, you're in huge loss. But if you're selling from here, suppose even now it can sell a little while. I would say that it may sell a little while again, because we are again in a same zone, like resistance zone. So if second, third time it will sell, then when it push through now, I think, let me quickly draw the line for you to identify. Okay, suppose if it breaks this line, look, there is no chance market will come. It will continue to buy, but buying will not happen immediately. It will something like this, break through, come down here, go up again, come down again, and then something like this all the time. Come down here, So that's why, like, understand the market. That's what I would like to teach you. Understand the market structure. That's why, like, suppose it's a structure broken here, uptrend, for example, something quickly. Okay, here, this is structure is broken here. It's broken structure, right? We
Yes.
supposed to buy from here. Now, if we buy from here, because if we buy from here, still profit because it broke it. But when we buy from here, we are in the wrong time zone because market has to come down and make this move, which is okay, probably correction, and then you go move, and again same thing, this is what I'm teaching you. This
So
is
how long do you wait then? Because what often happens, especially in the smaller time frames, is you get lots of little ones, but you still got to look for that down, then the uptrend. How far do you wait on that? Say let's say we want to buy. How long do you wait before you say, okay, bang, I'm going to buy?
okay. Now in this,
That's where I get a bit lost.
you say, I want you to wait, this market will come down again, then want to buy it again if you want to buy it, right? But for now, look, I already told you that this market has to come down again because there is a resistance here. So it will take some time to break this zone. There is kind of a lot of volume, a lot of pressure from the bull side, otherwise market will come down because there are already sellers sitting here. The market, why it's coming down, I'll quickly show in 2 minute chart why market has exactly done what it is doing right now. See why it's selling now, because this is the place that most of the sellers will stay, even in a very tiny, if it's a time frame, even in a 1 minute time frame, I would say. Yeah, I mean, see, this is what I'm talking about. Even in a 1 minute time, suppose if I just bring it here. So that's the beauty about, like, scalping. If you are a scalper, look, you want to just sell exactly the same zone it came. See, you still made money right now, but I don't
And
want you
there's
to.
an inverted head and shoulders too. There's quite a big inverse head and shoulders there, and there.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean the here?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
mean inverse head is also. Yeah, it's like, even you can see the double. It's kind of double bottom as well. That's why
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
buying. Yeah,
yeah.
it's like, but you are not right here right now. You want to look at here then, because
Yes,
you are
yeah.
not here right now. You want to look at here what market will do right now. But future, if you were here, you could always take a position which is okay, double bottom, and this is the very good engulf candle example. You can see that. Um, yeah, even in a 1 minute time frame, look, I would like you to, from now on, if you are confused, like, probably overall trend you understand, but inside the market, like, if you want to make tiny bit of money and move out, tiny bit of money and move out of the market, don't want to stay in the market for so long. Oh my God, market, what the market went here? What? Oh my God. Because I was in a buy position, but I closed it in 2000. I mean, oh my God. See, crazy in a couple of minutes. Sorry, then I just, yeah, this is what I keep watching. 9,500 pips in a no minute. Wow, no minute. Couple of minutes while I was watching it. My
Hmm.
goodness, well done. Anyways, that's okay. Let's go to the UJ, which is another interesting things happening here. So always have a look that what market could do. So I think I was talking about, if I show you the real market, I think will be a lot of confusion because it's a lot of crowd here right now.
Hmm.
But that's what I would like to show you in like drawing this structure, which is suppose this is a clear uptrend market. Okay, this is very clear uptrend market, and this is clearly downtrend market, right? Clearly downtrend market. This is clearly downtrend market. So this is a simple example, but when I draw this one in a little bit complex, within this structure, there is so many tiny bit of things happening. So many tiny bits of things happening. So like this, like, oh my God, a lot of things happening. So this one, even inside the structure like this one, for example, this one, like this is nothing like for here. It in a higher time frame, it's so straight, but when you go in a smaller time frame, okay, quickly drawing this one, removing. If you go to the smaller time frame, look, there will be a lot of crowd. I understand your confusion because it's not easy to identify what is market doing right now. So that is why what we have is we have some tools. We have some Fibonacci tools, trend line to see what market could do in the future, and just take the decision based on what exactly is happening right now. So here I was telling you, market has to sell from here what it is selling right now. If you are in a USE, if you want to also, if you want me to check it, it is actually selling. Can you see that? It is powerful. How many pips? Not much. I think not much. At least 10 pips. I mean, 8 pips down. Next, buy.
20 turning.
Okay, so now current time frame, like is still, this is the support. See, the support market is still up.
Yeah.
What do you believe right now market could do is, for me, what I'll do is market may come up to this level or probably up to this level. It has to buy again from there. Or sometime it is going to buy from right here as well, even in a smaller time frame. See, I mean, it's literally that's what happens. So that's why focus on the momentum, what is happening right now. I mean, don't worry about what happens already down here. Don't worry about that. Like, we have nothing to do with what happened right here, because we want to make money right now. We want to make money right now. So means if you want to make money, okay, market has to come down here, or maybe it may come down here. We have no idea. It may come down here. I believe market will probably make some kind of move from here, or sometime market may make some move from here itself, because this is a zone. If you see 1, 2, this is a resistance, and from resistance it will create another new support, and it will buy. But it doesn't have to doesn't need to make that. It may come down here, it may even go down here, it may go down, but that's the potential action that market could do based on the future, the past scenario, which is you can see even here market came down here, it went up, it couldn't go pass through, came down, made a small support zone here. You can see that's
200,
yeah, and then it is a double bottom as well. If you want to, it is a double bottom, because it's not head and shoulder. It's head and shoulder should be one, shoulder will be this side, one shoulder this side, and then head will be a little bit longer. But here, this is double bottom. It still means that market has to buy. It is, then literally what I'm telling right now, it's happening. It's happening. So that's as a scalper, but scalping is a kind of, you have to trade many trades to make huge amount of money. But if you are a swing trader, yeah, so you set and forget. Swing trader means you set and forget. You don't have to keep watching the market. You don't worry about what market will do. You will do the analysis, because you already know this is the zone that market will come. Suppose I will give example. Suppose you want to buy, you still wanted to buy this market. You just did analysis, okay, and you saw some signal of, oh sorry, here I will quickly move this one. Okay, this is for the the swing trader. I think I have given you the checklist for the swing trader. I have given you checklist for the intraday and the scalper as well. If you are a swing trader, it's good that you can stay in the market for a couple of days or even sometime week, but your analysis must be accurate. So here I want market to buy from 152. Probably that was the, that was the zone here, which was a resistance here and made a support, new support. Then this is a recent support here. Now it is buying, and where should it go? Remember that market may go up to 50 zone. Even from here, market will sell again and again, maybe go up. So that's why, like, I don't want to confuse too much. There are so many things in the chart right now, and hundreds and millions things are happening right now. Too much confusion. Yeah. So for now, as we discussed that, these are the zone that you want to be very precisely watching, watching. So watching means, if you are here, you don't want to take any action, let the market come down and maybe buy. If you think market will buy, do not buy from here. If you want to buy, you should buy from here. Why here? Of course, this is on Friday's market. We don't know nothing. What market was different, selling off quickly and immediately bought it, and a little bit of consolidation, another buying. Today, when market open, you can see, I think 8 a.m. this morning. Wow. And it was 2 hours it bought it. Okay. So that is a significant indication that we created a highly demand. We do still, market has to go up. Now, in the next move, what I want you to do is, okay, how long should I wait? That was your question. I think that's a very good question. How long? What time frame are you? It's not about how long then. It's not about how long. It's about how quickly this market will come here and here this another like resistant, which is resistant here. It will create another support and it will buy it. And actually it did exactly the same. Can you see that? So that's why you need to understand where is the resistance. This is a resistance and this is the support. Now market
Right. Yeah.
already market is actually in a resistance right now again. Market has to come down a little bit down, probably in the same zone or even in a downward. Then it has to buy again. It has to buy again. Yeah, but if it doesn't buy it, it will continue to go down. How? It will show you literally, okay, make another move, which is here. Go down, come little bit up, go down, come little bit up, go down. This is how it will make. But if I flip this one, probably if I flip, I don't know if I can flip it. I think I will not flip right now. I'll just do the another drawing. So here, if market has done this one up and gone down, up and gone down, and now going up. Now it has to come probably again in the same zone or smaller like here and then go. It has to break this zone for now, for current situation, right? So then you ask me the question, how long should I wait? Then how quickly this market will move to the zone that you are looking to buy. So you need to be predetermined, pre-focused, or get ready to buy that location. Like especially, okay, I would like to buy from here. Literally, it bought it from here, 153, 31, 16. I mean, yes, I mean 316. That was the, if you see this line, yeah, that's the line that we supposed to buy. We bought it probably. If we bought it 2 hours, we bought it. It's like 41 pips, 40 pips. Wow, 40 pips is a good amount of pips in the morning within 2 hours. Boom, you had a breakfast and lunch. You could have made a breakfast and lunch here, literally. And same thing here. I would like to go to Aussie dollar. Market is in, suppose if we go.
Before you go there, a couple of quick things.
Yes, please.
One of the things I was looking at, and I spoke about your inverted head and shoulders and so forth, which went by. And I was thinking, how long, does the head and shoulders last? When, how long will it keep buying for? And you've kind of answered that question. It keeps going till something else changes.
Yeah, like yes, exactly.
Yeah.
You can stay in the market until there is a resistance. So if you bought from here, right here, I would say, give an example. If you bought from here right now, because you saw the head and shoulder, this was another resistance, came down, another resistance, support, okay, support, and then a new support, but market push up through, and another like, left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder. And if you bought it, you should have get off the market right here because that's the resistance. So see, if market will continue to buy, where should you put your TP? Okay, I'll give you example. Your next TP probably will be here. Then it will do something like this, some kind of lot of
down, yeah.
Yeah, some kind of like something like this. It will do something like this here. So before it does, if you come down, you want to get off the market. Same thing. If we continue to buy from here, your next TP would be probably, sometime you can put it here, or I would believe it may go up to this level. Yeah, so this is a pretty simple, but sometime if you are targeting too high, without structural knowledge, this is a structure, I would say, this is where you can target. What is the PIP amount? Let's see, 57 PIP. It's a very good example. Yes, it's still good. 1 hour, 30 minutes time frame, 57 pips. I believe that's a good amount of money to make if market makes a move. Sometimes market doesn't make a move, especially in this currency pair. You can see market doesn't even move. If there was like a Friday, see, literally on Friday, you can say it says Saturday, but there was no move. It was Friday for us, but Saturday, oh no, Friday for them probably, but Saturday for us, right? It was 5 morning. Saturday is still 7 a.m. Saturday 7 a.m. You can see the market had only moved up and down. How many pips? 20 pips, 25 pips around, up and down. It didn't make any move here. So that's why we do not want to do anything right, this kind of move. But here, same kind of move is happening right now, kind of up and down, very slow market. But when this made this move, wow, I would say that was a good move. As I say, I already missed this trade. This is what happened with me all the time. This was a sell position this morning. I was able to watch it and take some advantage of that. But immediately when I saw this move, I was anticipating if it breaks through up, that was the buying position for me. But I didn't take because I was in the appointment, right? I was with my son. So yeah, so my God, like 190 pips. What? Like it's kind of breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If I had, it was a breakfast, lunch, and dinner for me, but that's okay. That's okay. That market will again give another move for me and for everyone else. That's why we should not be running after the market. Rather, let the market come. Probably, if market comes down again, probably, I would say, it may come down again here. Uh, if you want to buy, of course, but market will again sell from probably. Market will probably making some kind of 50-minute chart. It may come down here again. Buy from here. Yeah, I mean, buy from here again, or maybe if it comes down again, if buy from here, or buy from here, or even sometime buy from here. The market will do. If it doesn't come down, let the market go. If market goes up, where should it come? Come on, it's going to come down again, coming down again. So that's why, like, there is certain. I would say this is another selling position here. You could be able to sell from here. That's why you can even pre-order the position. Right? Okay, I would like to say sell off from the top and buy from the bottom. Sell off from the top. Now for the current timing, yeah, if it has made some resistance here, if you see this is a kind of weak candle. When I see this weak candle, then it has to sell some time. For me, like that's how I see the market. There was not much weak here, but there was a huge weak now in two candlestick, 1 and 2, and it's
hitting the same resistance.
Yeah, same resistance. Now let's see if the third one comes and break through, it will buy. But if not, it has to go down probably. I don't know, maybe it will be 25 to 30 pips, it will still go down, So that's the advantage, yeah, you want to take it. But you want to wait and see what is happening right now. I don't want to enter the market to lose money because market can come down as well. Market can go up as well. That's why always have a precise location. That was a very good example of selling because market couldn't break through this zone. And I was certain that market has to come down. And it did come down. It did come down while I was in the, appointment. I took my laptop with me. I was watching it. But for now, look, if it has done this kind of momentum here, it's kind of trap for sellers or buyers. It's a trap. Trap is another strategy that I will probably teach you probably in the advanced premium session that will be. But trap is something market will always do. There is a trap happening here. If you kind of watch this, even in a 5-minute chart. Yeah, see, I mean, let's see. It couldn't break through in a 5-minute chart. I mean, it has to come down for a little while, at least for a little while.
If you draw your trend line there from your bottoms, you should see that where it's going to actually go down to.
Even this one, you can
well,
come here.
Is that the trend line you would draw? No, that's something I'm not sure. Would you use that trend line, or would you see the next big candle? Would you use the bottom of that one? I get a little confused with that. Where do you draw?
Okay. Oh yeah, look, Drain, don't get confused. I will remove everything to show you how to use the trend line. So in some of the market, it's hard to draw the trend line. Seriously. Why? Because if market is really highly uptrend, market will kind of not give you that spot to draw. But for now, 1 and 2, like for this one, look, if you draw this one, even it's not touching properly. So trend line should be, oh, sorry, not that one. Okay, I'm in a 15-minute chart. So in 15-minute chart doesn't really look like that. Okay, now actually whatever I was telling you, it's happening. Like this is like it has to sell off now, selling off. Probably if you sell off, probably it will has to probably come to this zone. I believe it will come to this zone. We don't know yet. Yeah, so it has to buy from here.
The question is, which candles do you use? You need obviously 2 points.
At least 2 point. Yeah, at least 2 point has
So
to
which
touch.
candles do you use there? Because if you use that second bottom one there, you get a very low trend. If you use the next big
Okay.
bullish candle, you get a much higher trend.
Okay,
much
so this
deeper.
is 1 and 2. Okay, so now I
Right.
would say it's kind of very difficult for you. I'll quickly show you. Hang on. If it's uptrend, now just trend has been changed right now. Oh my God, it's came to 10, 23, 10, 10 right now. Like a crazy move. You know, you could have sold it right now. You know, while I'm telling you, if you could have sold, you could make money. Because market is making some move, and whenever someone is taking advantage of that move, and I'm telling some smart trader when they are in my class, I don't know, they may not focus on the learning part, but they will quickly, if I'm saying it's buying right now, they will quickly buy it and they make money. Oh, I made $200 right now while you're telling this. This is crazy, you know. But yeah, the question of your answer that where should we draw the trend line? So the trend line is something that 1 and 2, and another point could be, look, market has to come. Sometime market will not come there. Market will not come there. So that's why it's difficult. But for here, suppose it's a downtrend, you can see it's easily drawable, like
Yes.
1 point, 2
1,
point,
2,
3,
4, yeah,
and
4.
4. Yeah, I mean, it
Yeah.
literally it broke through, and it's supposed to sell from here, but
Yeah.
it sold off as well, even though it bought,
Yeah.
it broke through. Yeah, so
And if you draw the bottom trend, it actually supports what I was saying the other day. If you draw your bottom trend where the two lines hit, somewhere before you get there, it'll change the direction. That's exactly what it's
yes,
done.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, yeah. No, that's
Now,
correct. That's
before
correct.
we go, could I ask one more thing?
Please.
When I set my alerts,
Yeah.
when it always has the time 1 month ahead, which is kind of weird. So I go back the month to the current date, and then
Oh,
it has the time. Now, is
okay.
that time when I want it to start looking? Because let's say I put the time at about 9:15, I think. I put the time at 11 o'clock because I wanted it to go.
So
I
why
wanted
why do you want to put the
9:15.
time?
Oh,
No,
this is
no. You have to put the
no.
alert for the.
Don't
You
worry
have
about
to.
the time.
Yeah, don't worry about the time, because time is nothing to do with, because you have to put the location of the market. Like, where do you want the market to hit? Suppose.
You don't have to hit that. Just ignore time.
No, the time is not the matter. Look, I'll give you example. Suppose I want to alert here, because this is the zone that I would like to see 2396. So
Yeah.
time is nothing to do with, like, why you have to, like, no. Time is nothing. So now what you want to do is, when this market is crossing 2396.163, if you want only once, it will only trigger you once. If you want every time, it will trigger you every time. So time is like expiration. Look, there is no, it has an expiration as well. Like, probably they think that
Oh, it's
market is.
giving you a month. Oh, right. I see.
So that's why, like,
Okay.
you don't even want to worry about it. Alert name, you can say gold, whatever, if you want gold,
Yes.
heating higher
Right.
high. Okay.
So
So
no,
that's it.
right, I get
Create
it. I
a
don't
lot.
need
So
that
create
at
a
all.
lot. That's it. Create a
Yeah.
lot. It's like gold hitting higher high, because this is a higher high for now. It means if it
Yeah.
goes here, market has to buy or do something about it. Yeah, same thing. Like, do not worry about the time. So remember that then one thing in the market, because sometimes the price will hit that, especially the price means the location of the market will hit in 5 minutes. That's why if you are wanting the market to come that location in 1 hour, maybe it's not right way to set the what is that, alert. Yeah, so just focus on the location of the market. For me, yeah, for me, suppose if I wanted, look, this was a this morning trigger 85. I think, no, this one, not this morning. It was a Friday. It was Friday. So it did, that was a nice momentum to buy. And this was end of the Friday momentum. And now it went down. Now again, there was probably alert for me. I think this was a alert. Look, this is what I do is I like to add a alert. Probably, okay, if 2307 hits, market has to buy again. I do nothing. All I do is create it. Then if it crossing, it will give me a significant here, like trick in my mobile phone, and then all I did is like probably, but I missed this momentum this morning, but it was buying already. I already told you, but it will happen. Look, it will happen many times. We will miss a lot of opportunities from the market.
Now,
Yes.
is that created a new resistance there, hasn't it? There's no other. Is there a recent resistance on where it's changing here? Oh, sorry, you can't see my cursor.
No, I
But
can't see.
those
Do you want to
two,
do you want to share your screen? Okay, you can share your screen if you want.
no, I was looking at your screen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so just bring your screen back. But
Okay,
yeah,
no
those
worries.
two candlesticks, the bull and the bear, where the tops that they had, right? Is that a new resistance there? Because wait a minute,
Which one?
I just want to see that the very last two,
This
the
one?
last two 30-minute candles. No,
This one?
no. The most recent
Yeah.
30-minute candles,
Yeah.
those ones there.
Yeah.
At the top of them, is that an existing resistance or is that setting up a new resistance level?
Yeah, it's setting up a new resistance. And if you
Okay.
see this one, if you see this one, look,
Ah,
there must be something already here. So this was a support here,
yeah,
and it created a resistance here. See, it was a support here because
Yep.
it will sometime, remember that. That's why we need to make sure that if you draw these lines here, there was a resistance here in the past as well. Can you see this line here? I'm going to show you here. It was a new resistance here, old resistance. This, oh, sorry. I'll draw this line for you to make it clear. Yeah. So like you are trying to identify those locations in the market. Number one, this was a resistance right here. It was a support here. Okay, I'll go down in the other side. Okay, sorry, this one here. And if you see this one here, support, and this was broke through. It made a inverse head and shoulder here. Right here, you can see left side. You can say check this one, left side shoulder, right side shoulder, head, and it bought quite a while. And so I see this. I trade this pattern a lot. That's why I can see this a lot. I can show you a lot as well because that's what I trade most of the time. And same thing here. So it was
clear head and shoulders, yeah.
yeah, and here same thing. When this is creating right now, this already has occurred in the past, same location, same. So if you drew this one, probably you would be able to know, okay, if I buy from here, I will get off from this location. Like I don't want to put my target up here. Say, I'll give you an example. Suppose if I'm buying from here, I don't want to target here right now, but market may come down because there is a very strongly, like this zone, even this zone, even you go backward, I think there are some location right here, you'll be able to see. But gold moves, it's kind of gold, I think gold moves in a crazy way. So that's why now, yes, it's selling off quite a little bit, but it's consolidation. I would say it's kind of trap for the people who wants to buy. They will stay here, and trap for the sellers who wants to sell as well. Kind of now, this is the time market will make money from us. And remember that we make money from here when market is moving like this. So we only want to take advantage of the time when market moves this kind of move. This is the momentum that we want to just float on. Yeah, that's the only the way that we can make money. So the rest, I think, but I still believe the market will come down a little bit. As I said, this resistance will make a new support and then they will come back and market has to go and buy again. For example, from here, market has to buy from here. Yeah, market has to buy from here, but not right now. It has to come down probably to the zone, which is probably here, even down, or even, let's see, it has to make some kind of rejection, kind of rejection in that particular location, and it will make a new, it has to make a new high from that location. Yeah. So that's pretty simple, I would say. But, it is simple, but we are ourselves making it very complex. The reason why is, if it was easy, then everyone would make millions of dollars from the market. Yeah. It's even though what is happening, sometimes people make a wrong decision. That's because of the greed, because of the impulsive kind of. They are kind of too quick to make a decision in the market. So we haven't finished our.
So what you might say is obey the trends and follow the momentum, kind of thing. Would that be
Yeah. So like, I don't know if you are getting what I'm trying to share. Is like, if you know what market will do in this certain location, then you will wait the market to make a pullback and then get into the market. You know what I mean? You'll wait the market to make a pullback. Yeah. So this is example of our uptrend, an example of like, see, you can see strong high and low. This is strong highs and low, and this is strong lower lows, weak highs and weak lows. Strong highs means it's going upward. Strong lows means it's still going. A weak low means this is weak low, lower low. I mean, already, like when market is making some kind of higher highs and higher lows, it will do some kind of this move: high, low, higher highs, high lows, lower high, and lower low. So bearish structure and bullish structure, you can see if it's the green is a bearish, I mean the green or blue, whatever you see, and the red is the bearish structure. So every time it broke the structure means it's continually going towards downward. But if it doesn't break through, so you can see when the structure is broken towards high, means now market has to go upward. Even though there was a structure change of character, but it will still continue to go high. This is something the smart money, who I would say the banks trade this way. Remember that banks, they know where we put our stop loss. They know that way we put our stop loss, that's why they will hunt our stop loss every time we trade the market, and they will still make profit from us, and they will continue to take profit and take profit and take profit. So that's why if you want to be the player in this market, I would like you to learn the structure, which is sometime, look, this is something I have found a lot. A market will kind of do whatever it wants to do, literally whatever. But if you take a decision, at least you buy from here, sell from here, buy from here, sell from here. Look, I still can profit a little bit and come out of the market. Still profit and come out of the market. This zone, literally this kind of zone, market will move, do some kind of, okay, now time to get off. Now time to get off. Now time to get off. Market will give you the significant example or kind of sign. I'm not going to go through from there, or I'm done to sell, or I'm done to buy. Yeah. Yeah. So, okay, I will continue this tomorrow. Especially, I have some real, market example as well. Again, like for example, like this type of a bullish, breakup structure. I will spend some time in this. Probably you will understand. So now, if you have any questions regarding the current market anywhere, see, I was expecting market to come down here and buy. Sometime market will not come where you expect to come. It will continue to buy. It may kind of correction, small correction here. I will see. People who bought from here, probably what happens is, I don't know, it may be coming down. That's why I don't know to take a decision right now. I will wait, rather wait. It may come down and wait. It's safe when you sell from down. If you see the market to down, coming downward, you will be able to take profit more, seriously. For example, if someone see the sold position, like selling, I would say I sold this one this morning, but my take profit was right this location, this one. See, it's actually hit this one, and it going up. So this is the power of understanding the structure is so good. So here, same thing. So market, look, literally, if you market bought on Friday, like it was during the news time, you can see a huge spike up all the way to 23.20 and came down. So if someone is selling from here, there is take profit should be here, not below that, because we don't know that's a new low. We don't want to see if it will go or not go. That's why market came to 22.77, and market is still on a bullish uptrend. Because remember, if you go in a higher time frame, you can see gold is still buying. I don't know because I see this. I do trade. You can see our EMA still have a lot of space in here. Market is not breaking this zone, means that yes, market has to still buy a little bit. Probably there is a selling zone waiting up there as well. Then, do you have any question? Otherwise, I'll let you go for today's session.
No, I'm sort of keen to look at the structure. So what I clearly need to do is recognize structure better. I'm zeroing in on a very small part, and I need to see a little bit more of the picture. So
yeah, definitely. That's what I'll teach you more about that. What I'll do is I'll remove this alert. I don't need too many alerts, just to show you.
That's what I want to do now. So I'll do that. I'll do that, and we'll look at it some more tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely. We'll continue with the structure, and probably in the real market, I'll show you that how to identify the structure, change of character, because that's the key thing in trading, that if you understand where the market is heading, where should you wait the market to come and take action, all you need to do is wait the market to do certain action, and you take a reaction. Market will do some action, then only you are taking reaction after that. Taking reaction means taking action after that. Market will show some kind of price action first. So for here, if I'm in Aussie dollar, I'll quickly show you today like what might happen. It may not happen what I'm saying right now, but it has been waiting this zone a lot, So check it if it will cross up or it will come down a little while. According to this EMA, market is already up, but it hasn't been able to break this zone, this one. That's why understand where are those resistant areas. This is a highly respected areas. So you can see how many time market tried to break through, but it couldn't. Number one, 2, and 3. But it's today's session. I mean, you can see it's market buying. It may come down from here again. It may come down. That's what I anticipate, but it may go breakthrough as well. Means that market will tell you itself that we have no control on the market, but only watch this location. Go in a smaller time frame and say, okay, if market will make some sign of selling from here, so why it has to sell from here? Can you see that it is selling from right here, this location in 4-hour chart? Means it may sell. It may sell, come down, not for too long, because market, not for too long. Market is still, our EMA is showing it will buy. Even though it is saying it will buy, you have to take a look. Will it buy? Market will tell itself. Yeah, if you will be trading today, I want you to go back and check this chart. Even in a 15-minute chart, market is uptrend. I can see because of this huge engulf candle. This is a huge engulf candle. But here, correction and in little consolidation. Okay. Market will, if it will buy, then if it will break the resistance zone, it will come down and buy it. Okay. But if you want to take an advantage, like people who took advantage already, they probably, but it's not good move. It's not really good move. It's like a 7 pips right now. No, not much. But that's why don't take action when market is making this kind of move, but you have to be ready. For example, okay, if I want to buy from here, maybe buy from here. If I want to sell from here, probably let's sell from here. I mean, why not? Or if you want to sell, probably if you have sold already here, my market may come down a little bit down, maybe 20 pips it will give you. That's why do not jump in the middle of the road. Middle of the road means like we'll have an accident, You will have accident when you jump in the middle of the road. Yeah. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow then. Please keep learning.
Yeah, I will. We'll see you then. Thank you, Savitri.
Take care. Thank you. Bye.